In our last video, we gave you detailed information about the Public Provident Fund account, its benefits, withdrawal rules, what happens to your PPF account after maturity, taxation rules, loan against PPF, and many other aspects, but we did not tell you how to open your PPF account. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to open a PPF account. We'll share both online and offline methods of opening a PPF account in this crisp video. So let's get started. Let's first begin with who all can open a PPF account. So any individual who is a resident aged above 18 can open a PPF account. But remember, one person can open only one PPF account across banks and post offices. You can also open an account in the name of your minor child. So the mother or father of a minor child can open an account in the child's name. But non-resident Indians cannot open a PPF account. Both mother and father cannot open the account in the name of the same child. So while parents can open a PPF account in the name of their minor child, grandparents are not allowed to open an account on behalf of their minor grandchildren. However, there is one exception. So in case of an unfortunate death of both the father and the mother, grandparents can open a PPF account as the guardians of the grandchildren. So now you have understood who all can open a PPF account. Let's move to where you can open your PPF account. Remember, you can open your PPF account in any nationalized bank, in a large private sector bank, or with any of the post office branches. Also, you can do it online as well as offline. To open an account online, there are certain prerequisites. So you should have a savings account with the bank or post office where you wish to open your PPF account. You should have net banking or mobile banking as well. Then your Aadhaar number should be linked to your account. Also, your mobile number which is linked to your Aadhaar should be active. This will be used to receive an OTP to e-sign or e-authorize the opening of the PPF account instantly. If you fulfill these requirements, you can open the account online in few minutes. And you can do that at any time, 24/7 as per your comfort. Let's take a look at the steps to open a PPF account with the post office first. So first you need to log into your post office savings account internet banking using your user ID and password. Once logged in, click on General Services tab and select Service Requests. Next, under the Service Requests, click on New Requests and select PPF Accounts. Open a PPF account. Then you have to enter the deposit amount. The minimum you can deposit in your PPF account is rupees 500 and the maximum is 1.5 lakh rupees in a financial year. Next, you will have to select the post office savings account from which money will be debited. Then you have to accept the terms and conditions. And once you submit your application for opening a PPF account, you will be able to view or download the deposit receipt. Now, one important point here, keep this receipt handy till the money is credited into your PPF account. You can view your PPF account under the Accounts tab. So this is how you can open your PPF account online with India Post. The process of opening the PPF account with a bank is similar. You can log into your bank's app or use net banking to go to access your bank account and raise a request. Now, what if you don't have a bank account with a particular bank or post office where you wish to open your PPF account? Well, you can still open a PPF account the traditional way. All you need to do is visit the bank or post office branch and submit the required documents. The list of documents required to open a PPF account offline is on your screen. So, Form A is the account opening form. You can get it from the nearest post office or bank. You need to fill it and submit it at the bank's or post office branch along with other documents such as your PAN card, Aadhaar card, resident proof such as water or electricity bill and your photograph. And if you don't have a PAN card, you can submit Form 6061. Also, don't forget to file the nomination. In case of any mishap, the money in the PPF account goes to the nominee. And in case of no nomination, it becomes cumbersome for the legal heirs or family members to get control of the investments if the account holder dies. And you wouldn't want your money to go wasted under any circumstances, right? So you must file the nomination. These are all KYC documents needed for any kind of account opening. Now, once you submit all the documents along with the initial deposit, the bank or the post office will hand over a passbook for the PPF account to you. The passbook will contain all the details such as the name of the account holder, PPF account number, branch name, and so on. Now, before we end this video, let me share a quick trick to maximize your gains from PPF. Invest before the 5th of every month if you are willing to invest on a monthly basis, or even better, invest the whole amount before April 5 every financial year to maximize your gains from PPF account. At the current interest rate of 7.1%, you can earn 2.7 lakh rupees more on your PPF account using this simple hack. For details on this and more information on PPF withdrawal rules, extension after maturity, loan against PPF and taxation laws, watch our other videos. The links are in the description below. And if you want to watch these videos in Hindi, you can follow our other channel, ET Money Hindi. This wraps up this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family members as well.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.